Huh?
Before you die, learn to treat your pores like luxury. Rose Face Cleanser indulges your pores in the sweet essence of the pink mother rose. Feel the self-love at the beginning of your day. Live in the self-love for the rest of your day. Like the intensely soft pink mother rose, this face cleanser is tender and lightweight on your pores. The pink mother rose is deeply nourishing for you to enjoy glamorous pores. Rose Face Cleanser gives your pores life. This Rose Face Cleanser is the color Lady Pink. Your pores fall in love with the velvet foam. Let your pores indulge in the sweet floral and soft scent. As you awake, your face feels exhausted. Wake up your pores with the light rose scented cleanser. This lightweight cleanser lifts the heavy oil and bacteria from your skin. Your pores have a glamorous glow. Rose Face Cleanser is your skin's self-love. Rose Face Cleanser boosts your self-confidence and your natural glamorous pores. Feel and look your best in your glamorous pores. It is your sacred getaway from life's rushing moments. It is your sacred getaway from the lack of self-love. It is your sacred getaway from neglecting yourself. Try it today at ElisePink.com. Stay glamorous.